Watch this video and learn how to draw a candy apple. Later in the show, Artie gets a call from his friend Brick. And watch to the end to see Artie go for a potty break. Are you ready, Artie? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie. Artie?
Oh, hello, little artist.
Hello. You didn't see us.
Yeah.
Let's draw a candy apple.
Oh, Artie would love to do that.
Yay!
Yes, please. Oh, yeah.
Good day, little artists!
Hey, little artists, how's it going?
Are you ready, Artie?
Yeah.
Let's start making art.
Okay, let's begin with a grin.
Oh, good rhyme.
Okay, all right, let's start.
Get ready to draw with Artie!
Okay, Artie, let's start by drawing an eye in the middle towards the bottom of the page. That's right, a nice circle with a black dot inside. Oh, Artie, later on this afternoon, we can go out and get everyone candy apples.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yay. Oh.
Artie loves candy apples. Okay, let's draw the second eye. Another circle, but a little bit smaller this time. Little artists, if Artie's drawing a little bit too quick, here's a message from Bunny.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thank you, Bunny. That was fun. Okay, now we can start drawing the actual apple around the eyes. Let's draw a curved line above the left eye. Leave a little space, and then we'll do a second curved line above the right eye.
This is making me so happy!
Me too.
Now on the left, we'll draw a little hook shape. That's it, Artie. And then let's go all the way across above the eyes with a nice wavy shaped line. All the way to the end. That's it. Excellent.
Look at Artie go! Wow!
Now we're going to draw the stick coming out of the top of the apple. Actually, really, it's out of the bottom of the apple. But we're drawing the apple upside down. That's right, Artie. Two nice straight lines, and then a half circle to connect them at the top.
Oh, a felt time call. Oh, yeah. Oh. I wonder who it is.
Artie! Hey, listen! You've been sitting around way too long. It's time to get moving. Come on, let's go!
Hi, Brick, but I'm in the middle of a drawing.
Even the best artists need to stretch and recharge. A quick workout will keep your creativity strong. Let's do this!
Well, what kind of workout are we talking about?
Let me think. Let's keep it simple. First, stand up. Now, do 5 jumping jacks. Ready? Let's go! 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. Are you giving up already? Let's try this instead. Shake out your arms like you're painting the biggest canvas ever.
Oh, this feels like I'm painting a cloud.
Exactly. See? Exercise and art go hand in hand. Now, how do you feel?
I feel really good, Brick, thank you. My energy is back. I'm ready for the day.
Let's do some pull-ups.
Oh, no pull-ups, please, Brick. That's enough for today. I feel very energized.
Okay, Artie. One step, one rep at a time. Remember, a strong artist is a happy artist. Call me anytime you want another workout, all right?
Will do, Brick. Thanks for the workout.
You hung up on me. What's that about? I wasn't done with you.
That sure was a great felt time.
Yeah.
Wow, Artie, your friend Brick really put you through the paces. Well, it's good to stay healthy and fit, especially if you're eating lots of candy apples. Now let's draw the bottom section of the apple. A nice big curved line on the left side, and then another one on the right side. Coming up, Artie takes a potty break. Ooh! That looks great. Now let's draw a sort of puddle of candy at the bottom. A little wavy line underneath, and then curve back up to the apple. Let's add a mouth, Artie. A nice big curved line underneath the eyes.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Let's add a tongue sticking out of the mouth. Draw a U shape and then a line down the centre. A little triangle on the right. Shade it in black. And a triangle on the left. And shade that in black also. Oh yes, that's given our candy apple's face lots of character. He's looking really good, Artie.
Oh, Artie needs potty break.
You need to go potty?
Yeah.
Okay, go
Okay.
along.
Potty break, potty break. Okay, Artie better now.
You're all done?
Yeah,
Good boy.
Artie have potty break, potty break.
Let's carry on.
Okay.
Now go get a thinner marker pen. Yes, that's it. One of those. And we're going to add some detail on the stick. We're going to add what you call a wood grain. That's the wobbly lines that we see inside wood. Oh yes, now that stick really looks like a piece of wood. Oh, here comes Bunny Fluffington.
Oh, Artie, your drawing is as sweet as carrot cake.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hopping out now.
Bye.
Now, Artie, let's add some sprinkles on the top. Lots of little tiny circles using the thinner marker pen. That's looking great. It's going to really help you when you colour it in later. Well, I don't know about you, Artie, but I think it looks pretty finished. It's ready to colour in.
I'm finished.
Oh, good. It came out very, very nice, Artie.
Can Artie colour it in, please?
Of course you can.
Yay! Yeah! Colour it in. Colour it in.
Color it in. Color it in.
Are you completely finished?
Yeah, all done. Coloured in.
Well, it came out great.
Yeah,
I love the red colour you used.
yeah.
Now I'm hungry.
Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
Bunny wishes and carrot kisses.
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. have an Artie day. Bye. Bye for now. Bye bye.